A shirt, the dye, comb, shampoo and conditioner, scrunchie, and shower cap are the things that you'd need. So this card shows you what you are to what you most likely turn into. Now I'm just brushing out my hair, like combing it out. This hair hasn't seen a comb in like years, and I'm just, untangling, detangling. I don't know, but I'm, combing out the knots and everything. And it's so painful because I am such a tender-headed human being. So it's paining me like a lot, and yeah, that's why I'm reminiscing and stuff. So I'm trying to show you guys the thing, but like the lights were just playing with me, but I'm just going to leave it in the description box. So I'm reading out the hair dye thing, and bringing out stuff from the box and stuff. So that's the activator that I just showed you. Yeah. So what you do is you put the hair dye into the activator, and after then what you're meant to do is shake it up so that it forms like a perfect mixture. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just shaking it up and making sure that everything is even. So now I'm going to divide my hair like some Nigerian salon people. If you know what I'm talking about, So yeah, I'm just putting my hair into sections so that it'll be easier to work with. I'm just going with my hand because I give up. Like I wasn't about to use a comb all the way down. And I'm tying up the other side that I'm not working on at the moment with my scrunchie. And then we'll start business with the one that I'm working on. I'm just simply going to like pour the dye. I said fuck it. So I just put it on my hand and then put it on my head. So, okay, back to square one. I ended up just pouring it on my hair. But anyway, yeah. So I'm just doing that, Honestly speaking, like I'm not even a pro at this. So this is something that anybody can do at home. Just pour everything into your hair, I don't know, how to, I don't know. I'm not just like a pro at this kind of thing. I'm just like going with my instincts and hoping for the best. So I'm just applying it into my hair, parting it, so that it will enter everywhere and stuff. So I've gone onto the other side of my hair, and I'm just, putting everything just the same way I did for the other part, just randomly just putting everything inside my hair. Like my tongue is spinning me from this voiceover, but anyway, yeah. So I'm dividing it again, and I'm putting my hair back so it won't bother me. So I'm just dividing it, parting it, and then going in by section to apply the dye onto my hair. So I'm doing the same thing, still parting and applying the dye. So far so good, like nothing happened. My hair is still black. I was so scared, like, oh my god, if this thing doesn't work out, then not like anything would have happened, but I was just hoping that it worked out because I paid money for that dye, and I was not about to waste my money for nothing. So I'm just putting it in sections, and yeah. So this is what it will look like after I finished with the first bottle, and I was just thinking to myself, to go in with the second bottle. So I went in with the second bottle. As you can see, that's what I'm holding there. I think I finished shaking it up as at this time. So I noticed that after putting the first one, like my hair became easier to part. I feel like maybe there's kind of like a conditioning product inside that makes people's hair soft or whatever. So it was easier for me this time around, like parting and like putting it everywhere. So like I did the other time, I'm still going to go back into sections to make sure that the dye gets everywhere, gets on my roots, my tips, my mid, everywhere. So that's what I'm doing now. It became relatively easier, like compared to when I didn't have anything on my head at all. So I'm just parting it and applying the dye. Nothing so complicated, like very easy. I just put the second bottle in my hair, and my timer for 15 minutes because I don't want to risk it. Like, I know for 5 minutes is okay, but like 15 minutes so that I know that, you know, everything is well saturated inside my hair and like the color comes out very well. So yeah, I'm just going to wait while that happens, you know, go about my business and stuff. So after my 15 minutes is up, I'm going to go to the bathroom and I'm going to wash this off, and we'll see how it turned out to be. I'm trying to look for the right light to show you guys the color payout for this hair. It didn't really turn like as ginger as they had on the pack, but I mean, I'm not complaining. Like, I like it the way it is right now. So yeah, this is what it looks like. My hair is not black for sure, but it's not as ginger like I said. And I noticed that like my new growth, that's like the natural part of my hair, it took in the color more than the rest of my hair. Like, it's brighter, it's like a more ginger color than the rest of my hair. So I'm thinking that, you know, if you're natural, it will like pop more than if you're relaxed, if you get what I mean. So yeah, let me do like a little 360. You know what, let me just like see if it will work if I do this. Hopefully it did, because I don't know what the hell just happened there. So yeah, see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you liked it. So bye.